Hello students, let's begin with our next chapter, a new chapter that is addition and subtraction. So we will begin this chapter with the first subunit, that is adding within 10 crore or adding within 9-digit numbers. So let's solve our first question. Here is our first question. Find the sum of 12,64,873 and 34,15,102. So these are basically 7-digit numbers. Here we have to find their sum. Now in order to solve these questions, first of all we will draw a place value chart and then we will arrange these numbers in that chart, that is in a vertical column, and then we will start adding. So let's start. So here we have drawn our place value chart, and now one by one we will arrange or fill these numbers over here. So let's start. This is the first number that we have already filled up. Now let's see, this is 34 lakh. So 3 will be here, 4 will be here, 15,102. Now we will put the addition sign over here because we want to add them. Now students, many of you might have already done these type of questions, but let's revise it. As we know, these additions we always start from the right side. That is, we start from the ones, then tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That is, we add the digit at each place from right to the left. So let's start. 2 plus 3 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 5 is again 9. 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is the answer, 46,79,975. This is very easy. Let's solve another question. So here is another question. Here we have got 8-digit numbers. We have to add two 8-digit numbers. First one is 5 crore 31 lakh 46,718 and 3 crore 95 lakh 79,087. Children, many of you have already done these type of questions, but one important thing that I would like to tell you, that while putting these numbers in the place value chart, we have to be very careful that whether we are putting the numbers in their appropriate place values. Okay, so let's again draw one place value chart and let's fill up these digits in them. So here is our place value chart, and now accordingly we will fill these numbers here. So here we have filled up all the place values, and now we will put the plus sign over here and we will start calculating. Again, I am telling you students to be very careful while you are putting these in these place values, because that is the only place where you will make the mistake. Okay, so let's start from the ones. From right we will proceed towards the left. From ones we will start. 8 plus 7 is 15. 5 we will write here. As we know, under these places only one digit at a time we can write. Okay, so 5 will be here. 1 we take over as a carry on. 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Again we are getting 2-digit numbers here. We will put 0 here and we will take 1 as the carryover. 7 plus 1 is 8. Now let's come to the thousand place. 9 plus 6 is 15. we will put only 5 here. 1 we will take as carry on. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. We will put 2 here. We will take 1 as a carry on. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 9 plus 3 is 12. We will put 2 here. We will take 1 as a carry over. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1, 9. So this is our answer. Another important thing is that please always remember to add the carryover, because if we forget that, at that step only our answer will be wrong. So whenever you are taking one carryover, remember to add it in the next place values. So the answer that we are getting here is 9,27,25,805. Children, here we have another question, that is, here we have to find the sum of these two numbers. Here we can see that one is an 8-digit number and the other is a 7-digit number. Now again we will draw a place value chart and we will place these values inside it. So let's begin. So children, here we are ready with our place value chart. Now one by one we will fill up these digits here. This is 3 crore 35 lakhs 51,837. Now we will fill this up. Now here, children, please be very careful. Whatever we will be saying, we will be writing it here. This is 56 lakh 76,284. So we will start it from here. 56 lakh 76,284. Please be very careful and do not make the mistake and you start writing this number from this place value. Take care, whatever you are saying, you will write here. This is 56 lakh, that's why we are starting it from this place value chart. This place. Now we will put a plus sign here and we will start from the right side. 7 plus 4 is 11. As we can put only one digit here, we will take one carry on. 8 plus 3 is again 11, plus 1 is 12. 2. Again we will take one carry over here. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 11. 1 here, 1 as a carry on. 6 plus 1 7, plus 1 8. 7 plus 5 is 12. 2 here, 1 we will take as a carry over. 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 1 12. 2 here, 1 here as a carry over. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And here, since we have nothing, we can put a 0 here, or you can keep this place as it is. And this will be 3. So the answer is 3 crore 92 lakh 28,121. And after solving this question, we will write the answer like this. That is, adding these two numbers, the answer we are getting is 3 crore 92 lakh 28,121.